Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about some new Boost Mobile perks that we got, and we will be making a series of different perks that different carriers offer. So today we're gonna start with Boost Mobile, of course, since that's the more popular one that I have here, and then we'll go with other ones. But this is something that Boost Mobile rarely or even barely even advertises this, and especially since it's something new that they're offering. So if you have Boost Mobile, you will be able to get access to doctors 24/7, basically live doctors, that is. So this is basically like you don't have to go to a doctor's office. You can just do it over the phone via chat, and that's pretty cool for a lot of people that don't want like doctors or to have time to go see a doctor. So let's get into it and see what kind of perks this is. So it says Boost Mobile times K Health. So that's going to be the providers called K Health. It says free unlimited 24/7 access to live doctors on your phone. Now notice, especially with everybody having to stay home, this doctor visit over the phone has been something that's pretty new. I wouldn't say new, but it is something that is being more popular, especially with everything going on right now. So like I said, free unlimited 24/7 access to live doctors on your phone with the Boost Mobile Unlimited Plus plan. So that's $60 a month to get that. Now you might be saying, well, if I don't have the $60 unlimited plan, well guys, you can get K Health added for only $8 or $7.99 a month. I believe the regular is $12.99 a month to get that subscription. So Boost Mobile, you do get a discount for being a Boost Mobile customer. So pretty cool. It says we've got you covered. Please wait for enrollment. A link via text message from us to create an account before you download the K Health app. So remember to read the instructions. If not, pretty cool. You can either do the add-on today for the $8.99. If, like, say you have the Unlimited Plus plan, it's gonna be included, and then you can also switch and buy a phone. So that's basically, if you want to switch over Boost Mobile, you can, and you can get a phone. I believe it's a K32. That you can get, or the Samsung. Yeah, sorry, it's the Samsung A32, not the LG K32. I don't even know why I said that, but it's a Samsung A32. So it's convenient and quality virtual healthcare made easy. So like I said, big thing right now. A lot of people are staying home, don't want to go out and about. This is being a very popular thing right now. I believe the most or biggest one is Teledoc, I believe it is. So this is kind of the same thing now, but this is brought to you by K Health. So it says K Health, a leading telemedicine app, provides 24/7 access to board certified doctors from your Boost Mobile phone. So you're getting access to real doctors, guys. It's not just some Joe Schmo out there. So things you can do with it. It says from prescription refills to routine care. Get everything you may need from a doctor in minutes. Stress-free, smart telemedicine for you and your children ages 3 and up. So they will do kids, but they have to be 3 and up, guys. So just remember that. Anything younger than that, I believe they don't specialize in that. You might need to go see, pediatrician or something. Quality healthcare. So it says, here's the big 4 points of this. So it says quality healthcare, stress-free healthcare for you and your children. I said ages 3 and up. Unlimited access. So this is 24/7. It could be 2 in the morning. You will have access to a live doctor anytime, basically. So it's pretty cool. It is affordable. So it says prescriptions, routine care, and much more. No insurance required. No appointments. No problem. This is one thing that I must say, guys, that I saw. It says while K Health will get you access to a doctor, it does not include insurance, guys. The cost of the labs and medicines a doctor may prescribe for you through K Health will be your responsibility to cover. So remember, even though you get it at a cheaper rate, to look at a doctor, you don't need insurance. Like I said, no insurance required, but those medical bills will come to you. So just remember. But you do get, prescriptions, routine care, and much more. Like I said, you don't need insurance. So I know a lot of people don't have insurance. You can still do it. Just know that cost will be brought back to you. So And then last thing says instant reassurance, quality care that's private and secure. And this is kind of an example of how the app kind of looks. This is the right care when you need it most. Start feeling better today. Like I said, K Health, healthcare in your hands, and you can talk to a live doctor right there. So pretty cool. Let's look at the FAQs. So what is K Health? K Health is a leading telemedicine app treating over 4 million patients. It's your first stop to getting well with personalized health advice and affordable doctor chats at your service. Remember, they can give you advice and this and that, but prescriptions and lab works, you will have to cover that. Anytime, anywhere, K has you covered, with or without insurance. It was built by doctors and medical scientists using billions of real, medical records. Technology connects you to reliable answers and hundreds of US-based doctors. So that's pretty cool that, a lot of people just Google everything, and man, you Google something, you think you have this, but it's not this. Because, it's just telling you what you think. Versus this is going to be a real doctor. They know, they went to school for this. They know what they're talking about. How much does it cost? I said K Health is available for free on the new 60 Unlimited Plus Boost Mobile subscribers. So if you have the $60 unlimited plan, you can get this, or at a discounted add-on fee of $7.99 per month for all other Boost Mobile service plans. Is my family covered? You and all your children over the age of 3 are covered on one account. Wow. K Health can treat adults and children from the age 3 to 84, guys. Each adult can add any number of children in their family as long as the children are over 3 years old. All conversations with clinician about a child's health, it's really early in the morning, must be conducted by the child's legal guardian. So if a doctor's going to talk to it or look at a child, they will have to get legal consent, basically, from their legal guardian saying, yes, you can, I'll let you treat my son or see what's wrong with him or this and that, or daughter, whatever. This is an adult needing to be present during all children virtual doctor visits, which is really nice. I do like that. So, if the child's like 5 or 10, the parent must be in the chat at that time. Just make sure that, the child doesn't say something doesn't know, or to help the child better understand what's going on, and maybe to help the doctor as well. It says we do not treat emancipated minors, so they do not treat emancipated minors. So how does it work? Sorry, my voice is starting to change too. How does it work? Subscribe to Boost Mobile no contract service plan. K Health is included for free for the $60 monthly plan. If not, it's an $8 add-on. You will receive an enrollment link. Create an account via the link sent to you. Download the K Health app from Google Play or Apple Store. Log into your account via the K Health app. Enter your symptoms and answer questions to explore what most likely is wrong. Then you can text them with your clinical or discuss basically your health concerns. Follow-up chat for 3 days included. Get prescriptions and lab order if needed. So wow, it's pretty cool. So they can order lab work or even send you prescriptions. But like I said, if you don't have insurance, you will be responsible for that. So just be wary about that. But overall, I think with everything going on, like, look, my voice is starting to kind of change. That's like either I'm about to get sick or like I said, it's very early morning. If I get this, I can talk to a live doctor and be like, hey, I have a, grouchy voice. It's early in the morning. What could it be? They might be saying it might be just maybe a cold coming or something. Here's some medicine. It's pretty cool. So I should probably try this out. So thank you for watching, guys. Dragon Warfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, check it out in the description below. Thank you.